In previous video, we have been learned about how to create a post. Now we are going to learn about a post management. In the sense, your article management. Once you have been created a post, it will be there here. Okay, if you click on a post, all the posts which have been created so far, it will be shown here. Here only one post we have been created for demo purpose. It has been shown here. For example, if you like to edit the post, you can click on that and you can start editing. If you like to delete the post, you can select this one, dustbin. Okay, delete the post. If you like to preview, then you can say preview the post so that one more tab will be open. It will just show you how the preview of your post will be. Okay, apart from that, we can see the post, okay, as well as we can here, this is the preview of the post. Okay, you can see how the your post will look like. If someone click on this, it will taken to the page where you have been directed. Okay, that particular page it will be going. Okay, this is a post we have been created. For example, we need to edit this particular post. How can we edit this particular post? We have to select here where you have been created. It will open. Once it has been loaded, okay, it will take a little bit of time to load. Once you have been created a post, before publishing, one thing we have to do, that is nothing but a setting, post settings. On a right hand side, you can observe here post settings are there. First thing is about labels. Label is nothing but you are categorizing this particular post to a which category. Okay, we are categorizing this post by using labels. For example, we are saying this post is about a technology. Okay, just we are saying technology. So whenever in your post preview we can able to see that, okay, this particular thing we say update. I have been updated labels will show that where it will be shown in your post. Okay, once you have been selected which post category it is. Okay, once you have been selected that, labels you have been given. Next is the published on. Here published on is nothing but when you have been published the post. Okay, when you have been published the post, automatic in the sense if you selected automatic, it will post automatically. In the sense when you have been edited and we said publish or update, it will automatically updated. Other thing, you can give the date and time also. You can set date and time also. In the sense you can set the tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow evening, like that you can set the date and time so that that will be scheduled post. Okay, here you can select the date and time to show that particular post, in the sense to make it available online. That's about a setting a post publishing. Then permalink is nothing but a how your post link will be look like. Okay, how your post link will be. If you like to share your post with any of the messaging platform, you can copy this particular link and you can share it with any of the messaging platform. Then it comes to the location. By giving a location, it will help where this content has been created. Okay, from where it is content has been created, so that you can give the location. Okay, it will give first preference to show the your post in that particular location. Okay, other options are there. Okay, you can say readers comment. In the sense can they comment, or do not allow show existing only, or do not allow hide all the existing comment. If it is there, or if it is already comment is there, you can say hide, or don't allow further commenting, only one or two comment will be enough. Like that you can allow. Always you prefer to give the allow, because you will also come to know that what are the mistakes are you are doing in your creating a content, while creating a content. Okay, this is about a post setting. Main thing we have to change here, it is a location we have to change. And if it is scheduled post, you can select the date and time to schedule your post. Okay, date and time you can select here. And one thing is you have to categorize it, which category it is, you have to categorize, so that it will be very easy to uh, one who is looking your post. Once you say update, it will be updated. It will show here, yeah, update has been saved, changes has been saved. Okay, if you go to here, if you reload, here label is not there, label is not there. If I say reload, now label has been arrived. In the sense, this particular label is nothing but a technology. Okay, if they click on that particular label, it will be loaded up whatever the post you have been categorized as a technology. Okay, here archive is nothing but the date it will be taken, date it will be taken here in a archive. Even these settings also we will learn how to learn this particular settings. Okay, this is about a post settings. In the sense, once you have been created a post. Okay, once you have been created a post, how to manage a post. In the sense, you can delete, or you can get a preview, or you can say you can draft, or you can do a post management after creating your content. Okay, you can give the labels, all these things you can do once you have been created a content.